Mr. Seikou was born in 1947 in Kyoto, Japan. He is the son of a Korean family, and today he is 77 years old. His niece was born with a mental disability. That's what motivated him to study deeply. He studied acupuncture, moxibustion, lymphatic massage, natural medicine, chiropractic, and applied kinesiology. In 1977, he started a series of seminars and lectures for doctors, dentists, and other therapists, as well as for the general public. In this process, he was left with a terrible doubt about current treatments in general medicine, which don't see patients in front of them as individuals. He then developed a method called brain reading to match what each patient is individually looking for. He calls this method tailored therapy, personalized treatment.